This Century 21 Delia Realty Group property video is presented by Vickie Perkins. All the perks of a new home without the new home price. New HVAC system installed August 2023. Tastefully renovated in recent years to include new windows, new metal roof, new flooring plus new cabinets featuring spectacular granite and a designer-inspired backsplash. The home offers 2 living areas with Bluetooth speakers installed in the ceiling plus a welcoming front porch and a cozy patio in the fenced backyard, making entertaining a breeze. Both bathrooms are designed with the owner's relaxation in mind. The bath cabinetry is custom and is completed with smart touch lighted mirrors and enter through beautiful glass doors to the shower with 8 jets and a rainfall shower head. The carport also offers additional storage for your lawn equipment. Let's view this unique custom home today. For more information,